to our channel, The London Sisters. Today we'll be telling you some amazing facts about space.
Space? It's going to be so exciting! I want to learn about space!
Yes, today we're going to learn about space. If you haven't subscribed yet, then please do subscribe, like and share with your friends and families.
Please subscribe to our channel and please like it.
Have you ever wondered where we are? You know where your house is, and the street and the area around it, which you call your neighborhood. You probably know which city or town you live in and the name of your country. It is one of the many things that make up our planet Earth. But what comes next? Where is Earth? In today's video, we're going to explore about our solar system. Do you know how our solar system works? Let's learn about it. If you know any facts about our solar system that I've missed out in my video, please do comment below so I can also gain the knowledge. Our solar system is just a tiny part of space, but it is enormous. Now let's learn something about our 8 planets. The 8 planets' names are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Some people still think that Pluto is a planet, but actually it's a dwarf planet. It's not included in the 8 planets of our solar system. In the middle of our solar system is something we see every day. Any guesses? That's right, it's our sun. Earth is one of the planets that travels around the sun. This journey is called an orbit. A year on each planet is the time it takes to go around the sun once. And that journey is called an orbit. There are other things traveling around the sun too, like tiny specks of dust and rocks called asteroids. Some asteroids are smaller than a tennis ball, others are bigger than a football pitch. Bigger than a football pitch? Can you imagine? How big is that? Now let's learn about the sun. The sun is a star, and it is a ball of fiery gases. The gases provide us with all the heat and light we need to live. It takes around 8 minutes for the light to reach Earth from the sun, which is about the same time it is to cook a hard-boiled egg. Without the sun, there would be no daylight. Earth would be dark, frozen, with no oceans, seasons, or life. Our sun is special to us, but out in space there are millions of other stars just like it. The center of the sun is hotter than anything you can imagine. The heat and energy at the core builds up is then sent to the surface of the sun and then is released into space, which then the light reaches us and to other planets. Can you imagine how hot it must be?
Be safe and never look at the sun with your direct eyes. Never look at the sun with a telescope or binocular. It's so bright it can damage your eyes.
Yes, you must stay safe from the sun's rays. You also get vitamin D from the sun. But never go out into the sun without wearing sunscreen because the ultraviolet rays can damage your skin. Let's move to the next planet. Mercury is the closest and first planet to the sun. Also, it is the smallest planet in the entire solar system. Mercury is rocky and has huge cliffs. And the planet is covered in dents, which are called craters. These craters are created when speeding meteorites crash into its surface.
If you're standing on Mercury, the sun will look 3 times bigger than it does on Earth. That's because Mercury is closer to the sun.
Mercury is named after the fast messenger of the Roman god. One day on Mercury is equivalent to 58 Earth days. Did you know? In 1631, astronomers Galileo Galilei and Thomas Harriot took a closer look at Mercury through the new invention, telescope. Next door to Mercury is Venus. Through a telescope, Venus will look orange and pretty, but you wouldn't want to go there. The air on there would choke you before I finish talking about Venus. And the air is also so strong and heavy that it could squash you flat. Venus is covered in the blanket of clouds. They hold in the sun's heat, making Venus the hottest planet in the entire solar system. The clouds rain a burning liquid called acid. Venus spins really slowly. So slow, in fact, a day is longer than a year. Can you believe that? And also it spins in the opposite direction to most planets. Venus is named after the Roman goddess of love. A day on Venus is 243 Earth days.
Did you know? After the moon, Venus is the brightest object in the night sky. Please comment if you like the facts I'm telling you.
After Venus comes our home, planet Earth, which is the third planet from the sun. Planet Earth is not too hot nor too cold. It has just the right mix of everything that us humans, plants, and animals need to survive. Earth is wrapped in an invisible layer of gases. This is called the atmosphere. One such of these gases are called oxygen, which all living things need to survive. The sun warms our planet Earth at just the right temperature and also gives us light. When Earth is facing the sun, it's daytime, but when Earth turns away, it's night. Did you know half of the Earth is covered in water, which is one of the necessities all living things need to survive? So that is the reason Earth is the only planet on where survival exists. The International Space Station also orbits the Earth. Astronauts visit the station to do science experiments, the experiments that help us find about life in space. Humans have sent lots of useful devices into space. One such of these objects is called satellites. These satellites do many useful things for us, like detect the weather, help us make phone calls, and give us direction when we're driving. Nobody knows, but Earth is the only planet which is not named after a Roman god. A day on Earth is 24 hours, and a year on Earth is 365 days. Earth has its own moon, which we see in the night.
Did you know? People once thought I first slept about 2,000 years ago. Aristotle said it was found in his book On the Heavens.
And we would like to say a special thank you to one of our subscribers who has given us these chocolate bunnies. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for sending us these bunny rabbits. Yummy, yummy, yum.
It's so good.
Yeah.
This video will be done in 2 parts because there's a lot of information and it is quite long. This is the first part of our video. We'll be uploading the second part very soon. Please do watch them.
Hope you like this video.
Hope you learned something new. See you in our next video. Till then, take care of yourself and goodbye.
Bye.